Hey there, this is Fedo Ahmed, a professional WordPress developer at Mantistic Productions. Mantistic Productions is a digital marketing agency based on Australia. This agency provides graphic design, video editing, and business growth consulting. In this video, we are gonna see how we can install themes. So let us go to a dashboard of a WordPress website. We must have WordPress installed because from dashboard we can install our theme. First of all, what is a theme? A theme is all about appearances, right? We know about light theme and dark theme. On dark theme, we get black background and white text, and the vice versa on the light theme, right? So that is a theme. A theme contains various text, colors, icons, etc. Now the question is how we can install a theme. There is actually two ways to install a theme. The easiest way is to go to the appearance section, then themes. In the themes, we already see we have three default WordPress themes. You can obviously use those themes limited by this. Here we can see we can add new themes. Click here. Yeah, we see there is a lot of themes, actually, a lot of free themes. We also have some premium themes. You can buy the premium themes and upload it here. In this current video, we will see the free themes. So one of my favorite theme is Astra. Take that theme. We search here and we get our theme. Here we see install. We just click on this button and just wait to install and let's activate the theme. And as you can see, the theme is completely activated. Now we can customize the theme by adding here. Okay. So on the left side, we see we can customize anything like global, filter, etc. So that's how we can install. Thank you.